Is that on? I think it's on. Get this light on. All right. Welcome back. I got a special little treat for you guys today. Some good old-fashioned late season North Carolina riding down some classic North Carolina trails. And I'm gonna be follow camming Seth from Seth's Bike Hacks and Kevin from Steady Spin. This is from a trip that Seth put together with Red Wolf Mountain Bike Tours out of North Carolina. And with all this COVID stuff, I figured you guys would just appreciate some good old-fashioned POV without any voiceover or story or anything like that. It's just a fun ride, and I hope you guys enjoy coming along with me. Without further ado, let's roll the movie. Let's go. And thanks for watching. Well, I probably won't see you at the end. I'll just end it. But thanks for coming along. Oh yeah, one more thing. If you like the shirt, check the link in the description. You can get your own. And if I see you wearing it out on the trail, you better watch out because it's gonna come with a hug.
Because we're gonna catch up to them really quick.
Yeah.
Like I'm already going like 20 at that point. If we wait like 5 minutes, there's a grade reversal,
Yeah.
and then they'll be climbing up that, and then we can kind of like scoot past over there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You're a nice guy.
Yeah.
I love harassing traffic. Right on.
Whoa! Rider up! Have fun, guys.
Sorry, man. Go.
Hold up for a second. You alright, Seth? Alright. Just making sure he's okay.
I just saw a bike sideways.
Give me good lines, Kevin. Gosh, the leaves are so scary. Like that. Holy crap. I was halfway off the bike right there. Woo, Kevin! Let's have a stop here, Kev.
Dude. The leaves across the rock gardens.
Oh my god.
I tell you when I could hear my rims smash.
Yeah, I guess so did I.
I'll guarantee you that's the fastest I've ever been to that rock garden.
Really?
You just can't,
You can't
see
see
how big
it.
the gaps are.
Yeah.
And I was just loving Kush cord in the rear. Boom, boom, boom. That was a lot of fun though because all you can do is try to jump everything. You alright, buddy?
Man, that high line looked good, like because there were no leaves on it, and I had never taken it before, and it kind of shot me straight down into like some rocks.
And then you guys just keep
I was
going.
right behind you. You got hit into the tree and kind of stopped. And
Yeah.
your back tire came against my leg, and then I bumped you the rest of the way off by accident. I was like, damn. That was fast. I was just telling you, that's the fastest I've ever been through there, man. That was I bet you one of these wheels isn't true anymore.
You were
I
like,
didn't feel like we were going that fast, but
Oh no, do this right here.
oh, do that right there, yeah.
he was taking Bronson lines through there.
Just blah, blah, blah. I don't think I've ever chipped my front rim like that before.
This next section's pedally and it's no fun, but then it's gonna get really good again, and then
Yep. Yeah, no problem. You? Oh, the light's sick. And the dirt, so much grip when there's no freaking leaves. Yeah.
Does that count?
Nice recovery, Kev. Come on, Kevin, give me a better line than that, buddy.
that was pretty.
Yeah, that was pretty sketchy, man. But it was a hell of a lot of fun. He's like, oh yeah? You guys think that's quick?
You? Yeah, Kev. Yeah, dude. Oh, yeah.
I guess we got a few hops in there.
Yeah, you did.
I remember this trail.
Yeah.
Jump these rollers,
Yeah.
you'll clear the rock garden.
Oh yeah, when you can see what the fuck is going on.
Yeah. That's the one I thought we skipped by not going down Spencer Gap.
You know what? It's not the same thing.
Yeah. Because that's a blast.
Yeah, dude. I was like, dude, I'm making some good shots on the camera of me like above you in the air.
You might be able to see Seth under your tires.
That was awesome.
That's a really fun trail
Yeah,
section right there.
I don't think I've clapped my suspension that many times in one descent in a long time.
I didn't even back out my first
Oh, my whole.
I tried to just keep pumping and everything, just stay close to you.
You gotta stay close.
Trying to get some good footage, you know, just in case, you know, something went wrong.
Yeah, for sure.